I am so excited to bring you my very popular Scrap-a-thon class. This is Scrap-a-thon 6, which will begin September 1st till September 30th, 2020. It is a self-paced class where we're going to have 30 different prompts/challenges and a page/video for each prompt and challenge. Here are some examples of the prompts and challenges. Multiple photo, using a sketch, large photo, pockets, play on words, and so much more. Then there will be a Facebook group where we're going to chat every day about the prompts and challenges. I will also schedule time for some Facebook Lives. Upon purchase of this class, you will receive the first prep videos plus 5 digital files of free embellishments so we can all be ready to get our scrap on by September 1st. Then there will be a video a day uploaded to the class area, which means there will be over 30 videos. The class is $40, but until September 15, 2020, you can purchase for $30. For more information on this class and all other classes and digital embellishments, please visit NicoleJones911.com. See you in class.